Fall is here, and it's a great time to look into buying a new home. Steve Smith with Irish Realty is joining us this morning with the most up-to-date real estate news and details on a big showcase coming up. Steve, thanks for being with us again.
Thanks for having me, Jackie.
Well, it looks like it's going to be a great weekend, and it's a great weekend for looking at some new builds, some new homes. What's coming up this weekend?
Yeah, so the Irish are on a bye week this weekend, so you've got no excuse. The HBA has the Fall Builder Showcase of Homes. There are going to be 7 homes this weekend that are open Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 6, in various locations throughout St. Joe County. It's a great chance to come out and get design ideas and see the best of what our home building community has to offer.
The best of the best. Well, the Hills at St. Joe Farm is one of the opportunities that people can walk through and really maybe visualize a new future for themselves. So let's talk about the latest development in kind of the Granger area.
Yeah, the Hills at St. Joe Farms is located right out there by Anderson and Bittersweet, behind Hinton's. Our first homeowners have moved in just this month, which is really exciting. And our water and sewer system is turned on, so you don't have to live on a septic in Granger anymore. You can live on water and sewer. City sidewalks are starting to go in there, and the neighborhood's really coming up. We have over 20 homes under construction now in the neighborhood, so there is a lot going on.
Look at that, Steve. I mean, they're beautiful properties. You know, what does that look like when someone is potentially wanting to do a new build? They might be intimidated by that process, but they're seeing this right now and going, man, I could really see myself living here.
Yeah, if you've thought about new construction but weren't sure if it was for you, this is a chance to come out and meet with us at our model home and just kind of dream about what your new construction home could look like. You can see our Lacey floor plan built by Capstone Builders. It's got beautiful kitchens and bathrooms in it, and just some really new ideas that are going to trigger your imagination of what your new home could be like.
Well, when you're kind of imagining what your new home could look like, you know, we were able to see some of the exteriors, and you're talking about the floor plan. You know, as far as interiors, you know, there's new trends kind of coming up, but people have their own tastes. What does that look like when they can kind of incorporate that vision with some of these really great properties for a new build?
Yeah, it's fantastic. We've got 8 different floor plans, all kinds of different options and amenities. And we have design coordinators that can help you with that process. So if you're really creative and have a lot of ideas, you can bring your Instagram or your Pinterest feed. Or if you're not a creative person, you know, we've curated some great looks for you, and we have people that can help you through that process to help you really craft something that's going to be ideal. Yeah, look at those.
I might need just to take a minute just to watch, and I'm seeing these walkthroughs, and it's just so set up beautifully that you really can't imagine yourself and your family growing in one of these beautiful spaces.
Yeah.
Look at that. I mean, breathtaking. You know, talking about newer builds, new construction, you know, the market is still hot when people are thinking about selling their existing home. Moving into a new build is a great option, but are there still homes out on the market to buy, to move into?
There are, but again, inventory remains incredibly tight, and so we are looking for people to bring their homes to market. And some people are worried about, I can sell in this strong seller's market, but what am I going to buy? And I just want you to know that new construction, as you can see in the Hills, is becoming a great option for so many people to take advantage of that equity that they might already have in their own home and these low interest rates. So I would not let anyone say that new construction is not an option for them until you've talked to me, because I think that it's an option for more people than realize that it could be a fit for them.
Well, talking to you, you know, that's a great opportunity because, you know, with the market being so hot, unpredictable, you know, how can you make that process as smooth as possible when they're thinking about listing their home, wanting to get the most bang for their buck, but also thinking about their life, where they're going to go next? Why is talking to someone like you going to make that process much more enjoyable?
Yeah, at Irish Realty, we've really spent a lot of time listening to our clients and engineering a process to help them holistically. Hey, yeah, we want to know your hopes and dreams. We've seen the challenges that people are facing and kind of mapping the financing and the timing of how do I sell my home and transition into a new home. And we've really built a really great system to help people make that process stress-free. Just the other day, I got a call from a landscape owner who for a year has found nothing but obstacles and people putting up no, and you can't do this, and you can't do that. And we had a conversation, we were able to map a solution for him, and he goes, you know, this is so refreshing to be able to understand this process and to have a path where I can control my own destiny and I can take these steps, and a year from now you could be living in a new home.
You could be, and stress-free and refreshing. Those are words that we want to hear when we're talking about this home buying experience. So you're going to want to give Steve and his team a call over at Irish Realty. That phone number is 574-360-2569. You can also check them out at irishrealty.net, or of course on social media as well. And of course, mark your calendar for the Fall Builders Showcase. The Hills at St. Joe Farm are going to be one of those locations that you can stop by and really dream about your future. It's going to be Saturday and Sunday, and it is free. Mark your calendars, and you can vision yourself right in a brand new home.